All right. So another one bites the dust. We got this guy happy. He's out. Yep, you're welcome. You're welcome very much. All right, I'm gonna go try to help some more people. You have a good day, man. Yep. Another happy customer. See, you have no, and look at these guys, see? I already have a victim. But you see, if you just go out and help people, live for something more than yourself, I'm telling you, there's no more fulfilling satisfaction in the world than doing it. And I'm being honest. Sometimes I sit in my bed depressed and the only thing getting me out of my bed is thinking about going to help somebody. Because I don't want to do anything else. I can do whatever I want. Anyways, I'm going to go help these people in their little Subaru. They shouldn't be out playing in the snow anyway. Alright, let's check these guys out.